When it comes to severe weather, all it takes is an instant for Mother Nature to unleash powerful weather that can cause significant damage to your home or business. Did you know that 40% of businesses that close due to hurricane damage never reopen? Don't let this happen to your company. In the event of a community-wide catastrophic event, a professionally trained company can rally the manpower and the equipment to help your company clean up, recover, and reopen. It can be easy to lose hope in the sight of property damage and loss. When it comes to storm damage, most people think of hurricanes or tornadoes. What they don't consider is that a weak tropical storm or even an isolated thunderstorm can cause significant damage to your home or business. If left untreated, storm and flood damage can be potentially dangerous. Just remember, PuroClean is here to help you and your business recover. Hi, I'm Melissa with PuroClean Emergency Restoration Services. And as a proud member of the St. Johns County Chamber of Commerce, we are pleased to sponsor this chamber conversation with the topic of hurricane preparedness.
Seems unfair, doesn't it? We're just recovering from an international pandemic, and now we have to prepare for a potentially busy hurricane season.
But we have experience on our side, and we know that the better prepared we are, the better off we'll be. Hi, thanks for joining us. My name is Kathy Newman. I'm the Economic Development Manager at the St. Johns County Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here with Karen Everett, our Ponte Vedra Beach Division Director. Karen, why are we here discussing this today?
Well, we're marking the beginning of the official hurricane season, which began June 1st.
And how should our businesses prepare?
We encourage every business in St. Johns County to consult the official 2020 guide, Hurricane Preparedness for St. Johns County. We're beginning to see a lot of the hard copies around in our community, but feel free to download the electronic copy. Just Google St. Johns County Emergency Management and click on Hurricane Preparedness. It even has a special section for business planning.
We know that following a disaster, when businesses close, up to 40% never reopen. Small businesses are particularly at risk, especially those that may have their operations contained in one location that could be damaged or destroyed by a hurricane. There is no way to completely remove the risk of a disaster. However, having a business continuity plan can help you be better prepared. Being prepared gives you a competitive advantage. The guide contains lots of useful information to help you with your planning, starting with the state's Florida Disaster website, which is available at floridadisaster.biz.
So now is the time to begin that plan and to build a disaster supply kit for your business. And know your evacuation zone for your businesses and the homes of your employees. It's real easy. Just go to that St. Johns County Emergency Management webpage and click on the Evacuation My Zone icon located on the right-hand side of the page.
We are also encouraging all of our businesses to carry flood insurance. FEMA reminds us that carrying flood insurance, you're always prepared for a rainy day. Did you know that more than 20% of all flood claims occur in a non-high-risk flood zone? But it takes 30 days for insurance to go into effect. So go to floodsmart.gov today to learn about purchasing insurance. We can recommend chamber members as well who can assist you with this. The chamber will be using social media to get the word out on our Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram pages. And we'll also be emailing you regularly. We have lots of information available on our website as well at www.sjcchamber.com.
Stay informed and stay safe.